Is unbleached flour a healthier alternative to bleached flour?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing a hot topic in the realm of baking and nutrition: unbleached flour versus bleached flour. You may have heard that one is healthier than the other, but is this really the case? Let's dive in and explore the differences, nutrition aspects, and potential health impacts of these two types of flour.
What's the difference between unbleached and bleached flour?
Unbleached and bleached flour both start off as wheat grains. The main difference lies in the processing methods they undergo. Unbleached flour is simply allowed to naturally age after being milled. It retains a denser texture and slight wheat color. On the other hand, bleached flour undergoes a chemical process to hasten its aging, which results in a whiter color, finer texture, and a slightly altered taste.
Nutritional comparison.
When we put unbleached and bleached flour side by side for a nutritional comparison, you may be surprised to find that there is very little difference. Both types of flour contain similar amounts of calories, protein, fat, carbohydrates, and dietary fiber. However, one small distinction to note is that the bleaching process can cause a slight reduction in certain vitamins, like vitamin E and some B vitamins. In most cases, these differences are minimal and are unlikely to have a significant impact on your overall nutrient intake.
Are there any health concerns?
The health concern surrounding bleached flour primarily stems from the chemicals used in the bleaching process. Chemicals such as benzoyl peroxide and chlorine gas are used to speed up the aging of the flour and achieve a finer texture. However, it's important to note that these chemicals are used in regulated amounts that are deemed safe for consumption by health authorities around the world. The residual amount left in the flour after processing is typically negligible. That said, if you're concerned about these additives or if you're looking for a flour closer to its natural state, unbleached flour may be your preference. In summary, both unbleached and bleached flours have their place in the kitchen and largely come down to personal preference. The nutritional differences between the two are minimal and both can be part of a balanced diet. As always, moderation is key. I hope this video shed some light on the topic and will help guide you the next time you find yourself deciding between unbleached and bleached flour at the grocery store. Until next time, happy baking!